Hi, good morning. My name's Matthew with AC by J. How are you today, sir?
Great, thanks.
I was just calling to give you a courtesy call that I'm going to be on my way to your home to perform the preventative maintenance, and I should be there within the next 10 to 15 minutes if you're okay with that.
Perfect, thank you.
Of course, sir. See you soon. Bye-bye. My name is Matthew. I've been with AC by J for a little less than a year. I was studying for mechanical engineering. I went to Paradise Valley Community College, and then after that transferred to ASU to complete out my bachelor's. What made me choose AC by J was the culture and the environment that we create here. HVAC in a nutshell was the electrical work, it was plumbing, as well as, of course, the physics side of things of the refrigeration cycle, and then learning newer aspects as well that I didn't learn in college. It's been a blast. Here today, we're just going to be setting the agenda with the homeowner. We're going to be spending about 30 minutes inside the home doing our observations there, and then making our way out to our condensing unit and doing the observations from there as well. Total time here should be about an hour to 2 hours to make sure that we're diligent and vigilant with all of our aspects of the maintenance today. Would you mind showing us where the unit is here today, as well as the thermostat?
Yep.
I'm going to be here for about an hour of your time here today. I'm going to take a look at all the electrical components of your unit. I'm going to make sure that it's fully operational, as well as the cleanliness of the unit. And then last but definitely not least is going to be the refrigerant of your unit as well here today. At the very end of my maintenance, I'm going to be cleaning up the unit from the inside out to get you some really good airflow here today. So if you have any questions or comments, though, please let me know, okay? Today we're here with a Plus member, which is going to be a complimentary service. It's still going to be the exact same expectations from a basic tune-up all the way to the super tune-up here today. So temperature split, mechanical operations, cleanliness of the unit, last but not least, refrigerant today. I will be taking photos of everything I am validating here today to make sure that we have a record of it all today. If they have any mechanical issues, like parts need to be requested, we're able to pull it up right at the office instead of having to come all the way out here. We're getting a return air of 71, supply of 105, which is about a 34-degree temperature split, which is perfect for a unit like this. So now we're going to open it up and start taking a look at the inner workings of the unit here today. Documenting everything again that we take a look at. Pristine looking blower wheel. The outer portion of the coil is looking really good. Here we're seeing our supply air and then our return air, and this is showing that we have really good airflow and it's been programmed and set at the proper configuration. So overall, I'm just checking the running load amps of the condensing fan, making sure that it's in manufacturer specifications. Now my favorite part, making sure we have the right amount of refrigerant. We're getting 130 over 400 for our suction and liquid. That's exactly what we'd like to see here today. They do have a compressor saver kit installed, which will help reduce the noise as well as maximize the efficiency and longevity. Just checking the motor bearings, making sure that it's still loose enough to be able to circulate air and not be seized up. And then we're gonna actually grab some hose and some chemicals to get the inner portion of the unit cleaned up to get some really good airflow here today. Got the unit completely cleaned up from the inside out to give it some really good airflow. All the electrical components are all in tolerance. All the mechanical operations were all in order here today. And their unit's gonna get them a really good cooling for the next 6 months. And that's how we do it here at AC by J. Now I'm going to do a detailed report of what we did here today to the homeowner. This is going to include any information, observation, and recommendations that we have here for them. My name is Matthew. I specialize in preventative maintenance and making sure that our homeowners that we constantly go to are feeling loved and cared for as well.